offer a little bit more simplicity with the World Cup qualifying equation for Jamaica heading into this final window. Listen, no matter what happens in the Jamaica-Trinidad game and the Curacao-Bermuda game on Thursday, no matter what happens in those two games, either team win or either team lose, or both games end in a draw. Whatever happens, Jamaica just needs to beat Curacao on Tuesday at home and we qualify for the World Cup. So you could even look at that Trinidad game as an extra, a warm-up game for the spectacular Jamaica, listed at 68 on the FIFA rankings, have put themselves in a position where we play the number 82 ranked Curacao inside the National Stadium for an automatic spot to the FIFA World Cup. So Jamaica, the higher ranked team with the bigger name players, getting to play the deciding game at home for a place in the World Cup. Now tell me, what more could we want? What more could we want? What more?